Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and pick up right where we left off yesterday. So I left my notes exactly where they were. Today we're just going to do the column that has 2 digits repeating. Okay, so we should notice a pattern from yesterday. Remember we talked about if it's divided by 9 it repeats. So for this first one, if I put in my calculator 9 divided by 99, go ahead and try that. Grab out a calculator. 9 divided by 99, it should tell me 0.09090909. That 09 is what's repeating every time. Okay? If I was to simplify this, I could divide both of these numbers by 9. So just know that the fraction 1 out of 11 is the same as 9 out of 99, and I would get 0.09 repeating. Let's do that same thing for the next one. So in my calculator, I'm going to type in 18 divided by 99. I should get 0.18181818. At the very end, right, if it happens to round up and you see a 2 here, that's okay. It was followed by another 1 and 8. The 8 just happened to round that 1 up. When I simplify this one, 18 divided by 9 is now 2. And so I'd end up with 2 out of 11. Let's keep this pattern going. 27 divided by 99. Should see 27, 27, 27, 27. And this time, 27 divided by 9, I can simplify to be 3 out of 11. Hopefully by now we're starting to see the pattern. Anytime that it's out of 99, it should be 2 digits repeating. So for example, if I have 36, I should see those same decimals, 36, repeated over and over and over again. This column is just to show you that I can divide these both by 9, and I can simplify it to be 4 out of 11. So 9 isn't the only thing that will fraction on the bottom that'll make something repeat. It is possible if you see something divided by 11, that is something as well that will always make something repeat. On these last two, it'll follow the exact same pattern. If you try it in your calculator, 45 divided by 99, I should see the 4 and the 5 repeat, 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 45, 45, 45, and same thing with my 54. If it's over 99, this time it's 2 digits repeating today. You may also see it though as something divided by 11. So 45 divided by 9 is 5, 99 divided by 9 is again 11, 54 divided by 9 is 6, and then 99 divided by 9 again is 11. Okay, so our focus for this unit is for you to see that 9 is something that makes a decimal repeat. That may or may not be something new for you this year. Just know that you can simplify it sometimes to get other fractions on the bottom. But our focus right now is just for us to see that 9 makes something repeat once. If it's over 99, it'll make it repeat twice. And I bet you can probably guess if I put it over 999, I should have 3 things repeat. Okay. So over here, let's go ahead and look at E. I'm going to show it to you though with the equation again like yesterday, because I know that part was probably a little bit confusing. If I have a whole number 5, and then the decimal 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that keeps repeating forever. My goal today is to get the 1, 2s to cancel each other out as it keeps repeating. So instead of taking this times 10, since I have 2 things, I want to move that decimal 2 places to have them cancel. I actually need to take it times 100. In taking this line times 100, I'd still have my 5 out there, don't lose track of the 5, but it would move the decimal 1, 2 places, and I would end up with 512, still a bunch of repeating decimals after there. So my goal is that I can subtract these 2 equations, and all of my repeating things have now canceled each other out. It was repeating, so in taking it times 100, all it did is move the decimal 2 places, and then it's still repeating from there. So what I'm left with, 512 minus 5, would be 507. 100 minus, remember there's 1x there, it would be 99x. So instead of timesing, my last step would be to divide. And my answer for 5 point and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 repeating is the fraction 507 over 99. I know probably no one would have guessed that right off the top of their head. There's something wrong about this, right? It's an improper fraction. So let's double check. If I change it to a mixed number, I should be able to get 5 whole numbers. If I take 99 times 5, right, I'll be left with something pretty big. But when I subtract that from 507, 507 minus my 495 should leave me with 12 left on top. So notice it still follows that same pattern. I was looking for something that had 2 digits to repeat. So my final answer ended up being over 99. And since my 2 digits that were repeating were 1, 2, that's my 12 over 99. That whole number 5 shouldn't be affected. So whether you solve it from your table or whether you solve it based on the equation, if there's something out in front of my decimal, that whole number should stay out there in front.